Okay, so if you've gotten this far, then theoretically you've watched the class intro, and now maybe you're just wondering, okay, you said in the intro your slides can be tricky. How do I read your slides? So that's what we get to here. There's the intro. Here's vlog two, how to read the slides. Bingo! Right here, this is the one that's the biggest thing of how to read the slides. Let's go ahead and just go through it real quick together. The second slide in my slide decks for a unit is just a table of contents. You can actually click on these links and it will jump you to the lesson for today. So if you want to just jump ahead to today's lesson, you click this link here. It jumps you ahead to the September 7th information, clickable agenda. Everything is made available. So basically, I just throw the slides at you right away, and then the orange slides are under construction. That means they're not done yet. So you could look at them, but they're subject to change. So I would go ahead and ignore them for now, but that way you can access anything. If you missed a day, want to see the notes, anything like that, you get a chance to see it. Usually, but not for this one, you can see nothing's happening. Usually, the yellow words are hot. That means you can click them and they will take you to where you need to go. This is just a random bit.ly to use as an example so that I can put this note here of bit.ly mnemonic. I do put capital letters or lowercase letters on the words to fit whatever's in the bit.ly. And then homework and choices will be coming, so we'll talk about that more later. But that's why the Blue Plate Specials slide is actually orange right now. So here's that same slide, except that it actually works. You can see the blue plates are orange. Our standards. At the beginning of a unit, we're always going to review what the standards are that we're learning. And because standards are written in not student-friendly language, then I will give them to you in actual student-friendly language like this. You can peruse, use, abuse those at your own leisure. We'll talk about class participation points when I'm back in class in person. For today, it's diagnostic and narrowing your research. And so basically, you're just going to go through the slides. For today, your bell ringer is right here. So please go ahead and do follow this bit.ly. That one will work. 3, big octopi. 4, all live. 2, it's going to ask you first week of social studies, how you doing on the Homer Simpson scale, and then a continents and oceans review. So I'm going to stop there because that is your bell ringer activity. I'm going to give you a chance to work on that. And then if you want to continue with these vlogs, they're going to be linked into the slides. If you find them obnoxious, you can feel free to ignore them.